Hello everyone. Today we gather here to celebrate a woman whose love, strength, and dedication have touched the lives of so many. We honor a teacher, a mother, a friend, and a mentor as she embarks on a new chapter in her life retirement. I speak not only as a former student but as her child, privileged to have her as both my mother and my teacher. Growing up, I witnessed firsthand the tireless dedication she poured into her work, often sacrificing her own time and energy to ensure that the students receive the best education possible. And yet, with all her busy schedule, she always found the time to be there for me, not only as a parent, but as a friend, a mentor, and a guiding light through the life's ups and downs. Beyond the classroom, my mother's kindness and compassion have touched the lives of so many in our community. Whether it was lending a listening ear to a troubled student, offering words of encouragement to a colleague, or simply brightening someone's day with her smile. She has left an incredible mark on the hearts of all who have the privilege of knowing her. As she embarks on this new chapter of her life called retirement, I have no doubts my mother will continue to inspire and uplift those around her, as she has done for so many years. While her official title as a teacher may come to an end, her legacy will live on in the countless lives she has touched and the countless hearts she has warmed. So let us raise our voices in celebration as we wish her a retirement filled with laughter, love, and endless joy. Thank you, dear mother, for everything you have done. Your legacy will live on in our hearts forever. I love you and I'm proud to be your son.
હેલો નૈના મેડમ, ધીસ ઇઝ નીરવ, તમારો સ્ટુડન્ટ અને તમારા છોકરાનો બેસ્ટ ફ્રેન્ડ. આઈ વિશ યુ અ વેરી હેપી સેકન્ડ ઇનિંગ્સ ઓફ યોર લાઈફ. હેપી રિટાયરમેન્ટ મેમ. એન્જોય ધ ફુલેસ્ટ. કેનેડા જાઓ, જલસા કરો. અમેરિકા જાઓ, જલસા કરો. આખું વર્લ્ડ ફરો. બેસ્ટ ઓફ લક ફોર યોર ન્યૂ જર્ની. થેન્ક યુ.
बोलो। हेलो मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, आज नैना के बारे में मैं दो शब्द बताऊंगी। नैना मेरी बहुत ही प्यारी और अच्छी दोस्त है। मेरे अच्छे और बुरे वक्त में उसने हमेशा मेरा साथ दिया है। मुझे हमेशा हर समय कुछ नया सिखाने का उसने प्रयास किया है, फिर वह काम स्कूल का हो चाहे बाहर का हो। मेरी नैना की पहचान अन्य दोस्तों से बिल्कुल अलग है। जहाँ भी हम जाते थे हमेशा साथ साथ रहते थे। हैप्पी रिटायरमेंट नैना।
नमस्कार। आज नैना मैडम सेवानिवृत्त हो रही हैं। मैं अफरोज़ अंसारी नैना मैडम को 12 वर्षों से जानती हूँ। उनके साथ काम करने में बड़ा आनंद आया। उनका सरल स्वभाव ने सबका दिल जीत लिया। आपको रिटायरमेंट की बहुत बहुत बधाई। मुझे उम्मीद है अब आप अपने जीवन को और अच्छे से एवं खुशी के साथ जिएंगे। आप अपने जीवन की इस नई यात्रा के हर पल का आनंद लेंगी। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ आपको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं।
Good afternoon to all. Today, Naina ma'am is going to retire, and I'm very happy for her. She's a very jolly natured person, and I know Naina ma'am from 2016. कभी कभी मैं उन्हें प्यार से मम्मी भी कह के बुलाता हूँ, because one reason is that when I was working in Red Building, at that time she used to bring 2 tiffin box, one for her and her friends and another for especially for me. मुरमुरे लाया करते थे मैम, and that love and care I'm missing here in KV Kent also. Another one thing that comes to my mind is that I'm having a little bit confusion, not having, but earlier I was having that confusion नाम के साथ, क्योंकि my wife's name is also Naina and her name is also Naina Padia. तो कभी इंदो मैम या दमयंती मैम मुझे पूछ लेते थे कि हाउ इज़ नैना, तो मुझे कन्फ्यूजन होता था कि मेरे नैना की बात हो रही है या नैना पड़िया मैम की बात कर रहे हैं. एंड वन मोर थिंग दैट शी इज़ वेरी गुड एट टेक्नोलॉजी. कोविड के टाइम तो रश्मि मैडम ने उन्हें टैग भी दिया था कि सुपर वूमन, या बट वो होता है ना कि थोड़ा हाइपर एक्टिव है होना, तो कभी कभी कुछ गड़बड़ हमेशा करते थे वो, स्पेशली यूबीआई में, और फिर वही रिश्वत मुरमुरे की. तो इन शॉर्ट शी इज़ वेरी गुड एट नेचर, वेरी काइंड हार्टेड पर्सन, बहुत अच्छे हैं मैम। तो उनके सुखद रिटायरमेंट और अच्छे स्वास्थ्य की कामना करता हूँ मैं। थैंक यू।
Hello, Mummy. Congratulations on your well deserved retirement. Your dedication and hard work over the years have been truly inspiring. As you embark on this new chapter of life, maybe it filled with relaxation, joy, and countless adventures. Your wisdom and guidance have been invaluable to our family, and we are incredibly grateful for the love and support you have always shown us. And rest assured, Mummy, that we will be here every step of the way to ensure your retirement years are as fulfilling as can be. Your hard work has laid the foundation for a bright future, and now it's time to reap the rewards of a life well lived. Know that our love for you knows no bounds, and we will be always by your side, offering support. Here's to the start of a beautiful chapter in your life. May it be filled with laughter, love, and the fulfillment for all of your dreams. Cheers to your retirement, Mummy.
आँख खुले तो तेरा चेहरा देख के दिन बन जाए मेरा, तू ना हो तो कुछ भी नहीं है, खाली सा ये जीवन मेरा। सुनहानी जिंद जा